Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul to share with you. Let's just jump right in. We're having a birthday party for Connor, so we picked up, they had a deal 4 for $5 on their brand of pop. So we got Mountain Holler Orange, Crisp Soda, Dr. Pop, and Tubbs Root Beer for birthday party. A gallon of 2% milk. Picked up some of the International Delight iced coffee and vanilla. This is my favorite one. And I really liked this orange juice the last time I picked it up. And it's the Tipton Grove no pulp 100% orange juice. It has the calcium and vitamin D. This was really nice and smooth. Picked up some blueberries, some red grapes, green cabbage, corn on the cob, lettuce, tomatoes, and some potatoes. Picked up a chicken gravy mix for a recipe, so stay tuned for that. 2 ranch packs. Some of this Morning Delight complete blueberry pancake and waffle mix. We always have pancakes on Sunday with sausage links. This pancake mix is awesome. It's so good. The Save-A-Lot brand's yogurts. They're like the Go-Gurts, but you get 4 strawberry, 4 blueberry, and super cute. Some stick butter, some French onion dip for the birthday party. Picked up another one of these Mrs. Weaver's pimento spread. This stuff was so good, nice and creamy, a really great texture, very tasty. So cheesy shells and cheese. For Connor, I picked up these mac and cheese deluxe original cheddar macaroni bows. Some pepperonis. I'm gonna make got some more panini pasta. I'm gonna make another pizza casserole. So I needed the mild cheddar shredded cheese. Got 2 packages of classic jumbo franks, and these are for the birthday party. We're gonna grill out hot dogs. Peanut butter sandwich crackers. A bag of Lay's classic potato chips for the party. We're doing a piñata. I'm going to make a piñata. And we picked up the Child's Play. This is like kind of like a party pack, I guess, with Tootsie Rolls, Fruit Chews, Tootsie Pops, and Dots. And some Smarties for the piñata. And I got the Sunny Buns, 12 count hot dog buns. Also, one of their brand hot dog buns and a hamburger buns in their brand as well. Picked up the Sunny's Chiptastic Classic Chocolate Chip Cookies for Connor to take to his class for snack one day. Chili with no beans for hot dogs. 2 cans of the Bush's Original Baked Beans for the birthday party. And the Morning Delight Buttery Rich Syrup. This syrup's pretty good. Buttermilk Ranch. And for pizza casserole, I picked up a mantillas flavored with meat pasta sauce. Before I forget, I did pick up ice cream to go with the cake for the birthday party. And I already put that in the freezer. It's just Mayfield Neapolitan ice cream. So the Mantillas Texas Toast 5 cheese toast. This is pretty good. You get 8 thick slices, and this goes great with the pizza casserole. The Banquet Brown and Serve Original sausage links. These are easy to fix on the stove, and they go great with pancakes on Sunday. Some Jamestown brand sliced bacon, and what I like to do with my bacon, this was under $4 surprisingly, is slice it in half and use half for making crock-pot soup beans and the other half maybe for breakfast or something else. So I will get 2 meals out of the bacon. And today I'm fixing cheeseburgers for dinner, so we picked up some seasoned crispy wedges to go with those. And last but not least, meat. Did 1 pick 5 today. I already picked up my chicken breast from Walmart, and I got 2 large packs with 6 breasts in those. I divvied those up and made 6 meals out of those already. Done that. So I needed ground beef, so I picked up 3 ground beefs savealot. 3 of those. 1 pre-pattied ground beef. These are simple. I hate having to touch my hands. I hate touching raw meat. So these to me are just so easy. So 1 pack of those tonight for dinner. And ribs. Boneless ribs. These are so good and tender. And I love making them in the crock pot. Stay tuned for a what's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner video. It's the first one I've ever done like that. I usually just do what's for dinner. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the grocery haul. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. And thank you guys so very much for watching.